we're going to solve a problem of a statistics, and let us look into the question. It says there are 5 numbers in a set and the median of the set is 15, mode is 21, and it's also said that if the mean of the lowest 2 numbers is 9, what is the average of the numbers in the set? So since there are 5 numbers, we can assume that they are x1 till x5, and since ultimately we have to find the average, the formula that we will be looking into is the sum of all the numbers divided by 5. This is what we have to find out. Now at this point we don't know any of the numbers, but there are some hints in the question with which we can find all these numbers, and ultimately we can find the average. So the first information that is given is that the median of the set is 15. Now there are odd number of quantities here, x1 to x5, and therefore the median would obviously be the number that's in the middle, that is x3. So we already know what x3 is, that is 15. It also says that mode is 21, but at this point we actually cannot say that which is mode, that is which number occurs more frequently. So let's look into the next information, which is the mean of the lowest 2 numbers is 9. So here the lowest 2 numbers is x1 and x2, and since their mean is 19, we can represent it by x1 plus x2 by 2 equal to not 19, sorry, 9. So we can change this quantity and find that x1 plus x2 is 18. So at this point we have already found the values of x1, x2 and x3. Now we need to find x4 and x5. So let us look into the remaining information, which was that the mode is 21. So the recurring or more frequent number is 21. Since we are left out with only x4 and x5, it's only possible that both x4 and x5 are 21. In that case, it would be the high frequency number or the mode. So at this point we know all the values of x1 through x5, so we can find the average. So let us put all the values here. We had initially found that x1 plus x2 equals to 18. We also know that x3 equal to 15, and x4 and x5 are both 21. So we now have all the quantities. We now have to add it up and divide by 5, and then the answer is 15. So for this problem the answer would be 15.